Hello there. Today we'll be talking about how to turn your phone into a webcam. So who is it for? It's for people who don't have a webcam, who wanted to save some cash, who wanted to repurpose their old phones that is lying inside their drawers, and who wanted to have just purely a higher resolution webcam. Reason why so is because the camera itself, the phone camera itself has very high megapixels compared to a basic one that you buy outside. So there are a few things that I need to prepare beforehand. I'll guide you through. You need to go to the following link here. I'll also include this link inside my description, and it's basically to install the Webcam client. You need an Android phone. You need a home Wi-Fi. Normally, you just need to connect to your own existing home Wi-Fi. That's fine. And you go and download and install Webcam on the Play Store. So once you manage to install, right, this is what you see. Once you click it in, they will give you a Wi-Fi IP. Remember this thing, that these are the information that you need to use while connecting to your phone. So let's move on to the things that you need to download. So I logged into my own Android Google Play Store. So what you can see is inside the link that I provided, you just need to click on here. In this case, I already installed on my phone. So you can basically just choose which phone that you wanted it to be installed to. On the other hand, this is the web page of the link that I've shared. If you're a Windows user, just click on the first link, and it provides an Android support. Just once you have installed this, so let's say I just simulate a scenario of what. Okay, sorry, I kind of installed, so I'll just move on to the video. So once you install, right, this is what you'll be seeing. Once you log in, you notice this IP address is the same in the screenshot that I've shared just now. In this case, you have to turn on your app, if not it won't work. So in this case, right, once I connect according to the picture below, similarly with this picture, so what you can see here, I just need to press start. So it will prompt me that my connection failed because I'm not in the web page. So I'll just have to try this again. I'll just close this thing, go to Webcam, click enter, and press start. So you'll notice that now this is what you'll be seeing. I'm basically streaming my own TV, so obviously this works. And this will work with Op Studio and whatever other software that you wanted to use, like your Microsoft Teams and other things like that. So that's all for today. It's a very simple idea that I think everyone should be able to use. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.